Hola, això és Can 60, soc amb en Lluís i la Laia, cantem junts a la Coral Espígol i en altres contextos, grups i coses que anem improvisant i fent. I bé, els he convençut perquè participin en el projecte i han triat quina cançó?
La cançó de Billy Joel, Just the Way You Are, tal com ets.
Tal com ets. Avui, com veieu, la cosa es fa amb molta tecnologia i bé, doncs serà una gravació diferent. Per vosaltres, doncs.
Don't go changing to try and please me. You'll never let me down before. Don't imagine you're too familiar. And I don't see you anymore.
I would not leave you in times of trouble. We never could have come this far. I took the good times, I'll take the bad times. I'll take you just the way you are. I need to know that you will always be the same old someone that I knew. What will it take till you believe in me the way that I believe in you?
I said I love you, and that's forever, and this I promise from the heart. I couldn't love you any better. I love you just the way you are.
I don't want clever conversation. I never want to work that hard. I just want someone that I can talk to. I want you just the way you are. Molts petons.
Fins aviat.
Adéu.
Adéu.